Hello everyone, my name is Prajwal Naik, studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, first year CSC branch. So for imagination and innovative ideas, I have asked others' opinions. They have suggested me to create something futuristic and virtual experience device. So I have came up with a device called Smart Hologram Video Box. So let us see what is Smart Hologram Video Box. Smart hologram is a 3D virtual display of any type of video content in a realistic projection. Hologram is a recording of an interference pattern which can produce 3D light field using diffraction. Hologram display works on high definition 4K screen reflect digital content through glass with a special coating called glass optics. So let us see how it looks like. So this is a smart hologram video box. The base is with speaker with this which is AI based speaker. This is an glass which is slightly inverted in such an angle that it could form a 3D virtual hologram. So top you can have an OLED panel which emits the light to the screen which could reflect and form in 3D hologram. So how it works? Hologram box has an AI chip placed in it. It could perform any task or command as you prefer or ask. It could play music or any video you want to play in the display. It is a box-like structure where you in base you can have a speaker which is AI assistant also. You can ask it to do work or set alarm or any other works related reminders. The box is covered from every side, leaving the front portion to display the hologram, and glass are slightly inverted to maintain the certain angle for the 3D hologram. Top of the box is placed with an OLED panel, so it could form an high intensity of light or high in its brightness so that it could form a good hologram in the screen. The hologram video box can be used as a timepiece in his house to set alarm or reminder, or as an voice assistant to play music or to task. It is used in futuristic communication or 3D data visualization. It is also used in lab. So as others suggested me to do this device, so I have made this device, and it is very futuristic and it could help others to uh, next generation. It could form a better idea. So thank you for giving me some time to speak about my device. Thank you.